Model, 2010 Renault Trucks UK Master Long Wheelbase, Diesel 120.35 dCi Low Roof Chassis Cab Body, White, Luton, Box Mileage, 195538 MOT, 28 September 2023 Engine, 2464 cc G9UA6A Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive Mechanical Summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Airbag light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, no service history, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.